Hello everyone, I am Parikshit Saikia and welcome to another exciting expected questions for your CET examination, Quants part. Remember, the CET is only a few weeks away now, and at this stage, you really got to put in that effort if you are serious about getting into a top B school this year. Colleges like JBIMS, which takes students via the Maharashtra CET, is considered to be amongst the top 10 B school in the country, and definitely it's worth if you are able to get a seat in the coveted JBIMS. Okay, as always, the first thing I'm going to tell you, give me 5 seconds to ensure that I'm streaming live before we get started with today's session. Okay, I think we are streaming live and we are good to start. On your screen are Unacademy learners who have cracked the CAT with flying colors. 100 percentiler in LRDI and 99.8, 99.7 overall percentilers, a lot of them. You can definitely be one amongst the next. Okay. Also, a lot of new batches are starting on Unacademy, right? So on the 13th of February, which was yesterday, a new batch started, a weekend batch, a complete weekend batch. Then on the 15th of Feb, a exclusive weekday evening batch. And then on the 16th of Feb, a VRC expert batch. Also, I have started a completely new course exclusively for logical and abstract reasoning for the CET. Remember, logical and abstract reasoning, there are 100 questions out of a total of 200 questions. So very, very important section. So for any of these batches, be it CAT 2021 or for the MAHCET exams like the CET, you can use the referral code Parikshit Saikia. You can use this code and get a 10% discount on the subscription fee. Remember, last few days to avail a 10% discount. After that, there will only be 5% discount or a no discount. So this discount percentage is going to come down. And if you are still confused, please hurry up, take a decision and enroll fast. You get 10% discount at this point of time as of today using the code Parikshit Saikia. Also, the Unacademy Champions League is scheduled today from 5 to 5:40 p.m. Absolutely free. You can register and make sure that you know where you stand in the competition. Right? Let's get started. Okay. So expected CET questions. These are questions which have come in previous year papers and are must do if you're serious about cracking the CET this year. Let's get started with the first one. Okay, number one on your screen. The post office has stamps of Re1. Okay, let's write down rupees 1, rupees 3 and rupees 7. Which of the following totals cannot be achieved by buying exactly 100 stamps? Cannot. Remember the word cannot. So there are many totals possible, but which of the following totals cannot be achieved by buying exactly 100 stamps? Let's say number of stamps of rupee 1 that you buy, let it be X. Number of stamps of rupee 3 that you buy, let it be Y. And number of stamps of rupee 7 that you buy, let it be Z. Right? So can I say at the end of the day what they want you to tell? They want you to know that X plus Y plus Z is 100. So this is given. X plus Y plus Z is 100. So this is known to you. They are asking which of the totals cannot be achieved. Now think about it. It's a very easy question. Okay, think about it. Let's say you buy, there is no minimum number, right? It's not said that everything, it has to be minimum one. No, they're not saying anything. So it's free for you, right? So think about it. Let's say I buy total 100 1 rupee stamps. No Y, no Z. No 3 rupee, no 7 rupee, right? So only 1 rupee I buy. Remember how many you have to buy? 100. So if I buy 100 1 rupee stamps, what will be the amount? 1 into 100, 100 rupees I would have spent. 100. Correct? So let's look at the amount. In that case, I would have bought 100 stamps. Correct? Now think about it. Other possibility is that I buy let's say 2 1 rupee stamps. 2 1 rupee stamps. If I buy 2 1 rupee stamps and let's say all remaining, okay? All remaining, let's say Y rupee stamps, right? So how much amount do I have? 2 into 1, 2 plus 98 into 3, 8 into 3, 24, 294 comes out to be 296. 296. So 296, 100. Let's say I buy 31 rupee stamps as an example. So I would have spent 30 into 130, 33 rupees stamps. So in that case, 30 into 3, 90 rupees plus 40, because remember total has to be 100. 40 into 7, 280. Correct? So how much would I would have spent? 400. So I can keep doing this. But at the end of the day, what you realize is all the answers that you are getting, right? Be it 100, be it 296, or be it 400. These are all even numbers. Do you agree? These are all even numbers. It means whatever answer you get will always be an even number. It can never be an odd number. So among the answer options, any odd number, and that can never be achieved. What is an odd number? 473. That can never be achieved. That's the answer. Got it? So very simple concept in the CET. This is based on the concept of even and odd. So remember, you know what? These are all odd numbers. Right? So if you add up odd numbers 100 times, if you are to add up odd numbers 100 times, or for that matter, if you are adding odd numbers even number of times, example, 1 plus 1, you are adding 2 times, right? So odd number is 1, but you are adding it 2 times, which is even. If you are adding odd numbers even number of times, your answer is always even. In this case, all the numbers given are odd, and we have to add them even number of times. Why? 100 times you need to add them. If you add odd numbers even number of times, in our case 100, answer is always even. So no odd answer is possible. Answer option is C. Got it? Easy one, but a tricky one. Let's go to the next one. Number 2. Okay. Let's go to number 2. Two men, R and S, take up a typing job requiring 100 pages to be typed. Each of them type 50 pages. H charges $20 per hour, while R, being 1.5 times as fast as S, charges 30 per hour. What is average hourly wage they earn? Okay. Now what is the ratio of the typing speed of R and S? Remember, R is 1.5 times as fast as S. So can I say whenever R types 1.5 pages, S would have typed 1 page. Would you agree? Why? Because R is 1.5 times as fast as S. So whenever R types 1.5 pages, S would have typed 1 page. I don't like decimals. So what would I do? Probably I'll multiply the equation with 2 so that I remove the decimal. So 1.5 into 2 is 3 and 1 into 2 is 2. So R is to S. You got the ratio. The ratio is 3:2. This is the ratio of typing the pages, right? So whenever R types 3 pages, S would have typed 2 pages. Next, 100 pages need to be typed and each of them type 50 pages. What is the average hourly wage? Now think about it. Average wage is nothing but total wages earned by the two human beings. Divided by the total hours that they work. Will you agree? Total wages earned by the two human beings together divided by the total hours that they work. What is the total wages that they earn? Can you tell me? How much is R earning? R is earning 30 rupees per hour. So can I say R wages is 30 rupees per hour? So 30 into the number of hours worked is what R earns. Will you agree? 30 into the number of hours worked is what R earns. How many hours R would have worked? Can you tell me? Remember, R is typing 50 pages. 50 pages. Each of them type 50 pages. And in 1 hour, R is typing 3 pages. So can I say number of hours that R needs to work is 50 divided by 3? Why? 1 hour 3 pages and total 50 pages I need to type. So how many hours I would work? 50 by 3. So number of hours is 50 by 3. And per hour I charge 30 rupees. So this is the wage earned by R. What about S? Same logic. Total wages earned by S is per hour wage into the number of hours that S needs to work. Remember, total 50 pages are there, and in 1 hour, S types 2 pages. So total 25 hours S needs to work, right? So this is the total wages that they together earn, divided by total hours that they together work. What is the total hours? We already found out 50 by 3 plus 50 by 2 plus 50 by 2. That's it. You'll get your answer. So now you see 50 is common just for calculation purpose. 50 is there with every term in the numerator as well as in the denominator. 50 is there with every term. So just cancel out the 50. Just cancel out the 50 because it is there with every term. So 30 by 3 is 10. 20 by 2 is 10. Divided by 1 by 3 plus 1 by 2. 1 by 3 plus 1 by 2. Correct? So 20 divided by 5 by 6. So 5 ones are, 5 fours are, and then 4 into 6, 24. Answer is 24. What is the average hourly wage they earn? 24. Got it? Got it? Any doubt in this? Any doubt in this? Perfect. Got this. These are all expected and previous year CET questions. Must solve. Okay. Any doubt in this? Any doubt, anyone? Okay. Let's go to the next one. Let's go to the next one. Number 3. Number 3. Number 3. Which of these is the smallest? Okay. Let's check this. Okay. So they have given you some numbers, right? 2 to the power minus 0.2. 3 to the power minus 0.3. 4 to the power minus 0.4. And 5 to the power minus 0.5. Okay. They are asking you which is the smallest. Now think about it. Let's simplify this. Okay. 2 to the power minus 0.2. Will you agree can be written as 1 divided by 2 to the power 0.2. Will you agree? 1 divided by 2 to the power 0.2. Correct? This can be written as 1 divided by 0.2 can be written as 2 to the power 2 by 10. 0.2 is nothing but 2 by 10. Will you agree? 0.2 is nothing but 2 by 10. Now think about it. How can you write this? You can take the 10 common outside. So this is 1 by 2 square, right? To the power 1 by 10. To the power 1 by 10. Now this can be written as 1 by 4 to the power 1 by 10. 1 by 4 to the power 1 by 10. Correct? Let's look at the next one. 3 to the power minus 0.3. How will you write this? 1 divided by 3 to the power 0.3. Right? This in turn can be written as 1 divided by 3. 0.3 can be written as 3 divided by 10. This in turn can be written as, if you keep the 3 common, by 10 means can be written as 1 by 10. Right? So this rather can be now be written as 1 divided by 3 cube. 3 cube is 27. 27 to the power 1 by 10. Yes? So now you got it. Now you got it. Same way. Similarly, can you write the fourth term like this? Fourth term, can you write it like this? 1 divided by 4 to the power 4 by 10. So this can be written as 1 divided by 4 to the power 4 to the power 1 by 10. So how much is this? 1 divided by 256 to the power 1 by 10. Correct? And what about the last term? Similarly, you can write the last term as 1 divided by 5 to the power 5 by 10. So this can be written as 1 divided by 5 to the power 5 to the power 1 by 10. And 1 to the power 5 by 5 is 1 by 3125. 3125 to the power 1 by 10. Right? Now they are asking which of them is the smallest. Think about it. Think about it. It's very easy. Everything, this part is common to everything. Will you agree? 1 divided by the power. 1 divided by the power is same for all. 1 divided by the power 1 by 10 is same for all. So whatever is same, ignore it. So you just look at the denominator. First denominator is 4. Second denominator is 27. Third denominator is 256. Last denominator is 3125. So it's common sense. Higher the denominator, smaller the number, right? So obviously the last denominator 3125 is the largest. Hence that got to be the smallest number. Answer is 5 to the power minus 0.5. 5 to the power minus 0.5. Got it? Got it? Easy one, right? Okay. Let's go to the next one. Let's go to the next one. Let's go to the next one. Number 4. A vessel contains 30 liters of 60% nitric acid. how much water should be added to the vessel so that the concentration of acid becomes 40%. Okay. So you have got acid and you have got water. Okay. So how much is acid? Acid is 60%. So 60% is acid. That means 40% is water. Correct? Now think about it. Total is 30 liters. 30 liters. So in 30 liters, if 60% is acid, it means 60% of 13 liters is 18 liters. 18 liters is acid. So 12 liters is water. Correct? Now they are saying how much water should be added to the vessel so that the concentration of acid becomes 40%. Water you need to add. Water, right? So you need to add water. Concentration of acid becomes 40%. So acid should now become 40%. What about water? Water will become 60%. Right? Now think about it. You are adding water. If you are adding water, it means what? Acid is remaining the same. Why? Because acid content is not changing, right? You are only adding water. So acid remains constant. It means even now acid is 18 liters. Even now acid is 18 liters. Correct? So very easy. If 40% is 18 liters, how much is 60%? Think about it. Do it easily. 40% is 18 liters. So 40% is 18 liters. Correct? So how much is 60%? That you need to find out. Unitary method. So 40% is 18 liters. Means 1% is 18 by 40. So 60% is into 60. So 22s are, 23s are, 2 1s are, 2 9s are. So 9 into 3, 27. 27. It means 60% would be 27 liters. 60% would be 27 liters. Correct? Question is asking how much water should be added. So obviously 12 liters has become 27 liters. So how much water do you need to add? 15 liters. How much water do you need to add? 50 liters. Answer is 50. Answer is 15. Got it? Got it? Easy one? Okay. Let's go to the next one. Let's go to the next one. Number 5. Got it, right? Perfect. Number 5. The sum of the given series. So what is the series? The series is 1 square minus 2 square plus 3 square minus 4 square plus dot 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 plus 2001 square minus 2002 square plus 2003 square plus 2003 square. Correct? Now think about it. Now think about it. The easiest way is thinking this in terms of a square minus b square. A square minus b square. What is a square minus b square? Remember, a square minus b square is a minus b into a plus b. So the first term is 1 square minus 2 square. So 1 minus 2 into 1 plus 2. Second term, a square minus b square. So is a minus b into a plus b. Correct? Next, dot 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 dot. So 2001 square minus 2002 square is again a square minus b square. So 2001 minus 2002 into 2001 plus 2002. Correct? Correct? So a minus b into a plus b plus 2003 square plus 2003 square. Easy? Easy? Now think about it. 1 minus 2 is minus 1. Similarly, 3 minus 4 is minus 1. 2001 minus 2 is 2002 is minus 1. So minus 1 you can take common. 1 minus 2 minus 1. So take that minus 1 common. What you will have? 1 plus 2. Similarly, 3 minus 4 minus 1 is common. You can take that minus 1 outside. So what you are left with is 3 plus 4. Plus dot 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 dot. 2001 minus 2002 minus 1. Take that common. What you are left is 2001 plus 2002. Right? Plus 2003 square. 2003 square. Now you easily get it. So minus 1. You can apply the formula. What is this formula? 1 plus 2. So the formula for this is sum of the first n natural numbers is n into n plus 1 by 2. Right? Plus 2003 square. So what is n in our case? N in our case is 2002. N in our case is 2002. So minus remains. So n is 2002. N plus 1 is 2002 plus 1 is 2003 divided by 2 plus 2003 square. So if you do the maths, You get your answer as 2007,008. 2007,008. That's the answer. Remember, there is a minus sign. Don't forget this. So the first term you're going to subtract and the second term you're going to add. So don't forget that. Minus, okay? So 2003 square minus the first term. Moment you calculate, you get this answer. Got it? Got it? Okay. I think that's it for today. Please revise the questions one. Very, very, very important questions. Please revise them one. And if you have liked the class, do hit the like button. Right? Okay, then thank you so much. And I'm going to see you tomorrow morning at 9:30 a.m. Till then, bye from my side. Goodbye.